Hello guys, this is your friend, your brother, Frank. Um, I want to share a little bit of knowledge with you guys. Um, this is a it's a great day, and I pray that everybody gets to learn something from this video. Um, this weekend actually, I think today is 17th of April, 2021. So So Saturday, I was doing some kind of market analysis, and I just thought of making a video, to add something new in your trading basket, to give you a little bit of what I'm doing. And if you like it, just press the like button, give it thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel if you want, and uh, because I think I'll be dropping some series of videos so that you can get notified each time the videos comes up. Yeah, um, I think a lot of people benefit from all this. So this is kind of the support and resistance training strategy that I want to share today. It's a great strategy. Support and resistance, one of the key stuff that a lot of big traders use, is fundamental, and a lot of newbies just kind of wave it aside because some people don't really see the wisdom behind it. But support and resistance is the language of the market. It's the actual key of the market. Yeah, it's the actual key of the market, because if you look at the market properly, you see the market doesn't do anything else than to either move up or move down, or move up or move down, or move up or move down. It does only those two things, either up or down. Yeah. Yes, the market might kind of range. Some may say, okay, the market is really, but even in the range position, the market is still moving up and down. Those are the major moves in the market, up and down. And support and resistance actually can really tell a lot about this up and down movement and help us to make profit out of it. So I'll kind of tell you what I have here on my chart. These white lines, the white and blue lines, are the support and resistance line, which are automatically drawn by an indicator called the support and resistance zone. Yeah, yeah. And the yellow indicator you see here is the MBFX snatcher, and the arrows are the MBFX trend directions. So you can get this indicator. I'm not going to sell any indicator to anybody. Just get in touch with me, write me on my YouTube, and I'm going to see how to get indicator to you. Right, you can drop your email or something, and in my free time, I'm going to do that. I'm going to send it to you for free, right? No charges, nothing. Okay, so let me just dive through to what I'm trying to explain here. The market, like I said, moves in two directions. If the market goes up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down. So what we do is with the support and resistance, we try to mark those areas where the market kind of bounces off and on, right? So like here, you can see the market bouncing here and bouncing here, bouncing here, bounces here, bounce here, and here. Those are very easy areas where you can easily take the money, and you make a lot of profit in the market. I will show you some couple of trades that I took already over the weekend, over just before the weekend. That was on Friday, and how it's actually played out. So from there, you can actually see what I'm doing here. This is one of them here. You can see market went up. This is NZD cat. Market went up, hit the resistance line, right? And I didn't just jump into the market immediately. It reaches the resistance line, right? I kind of hold on for a while and see the market actually moving away from that resistance line, right? It's telling me, okay, I can't go through the resistance. I'm going back down, right? If you look, let me just zoom in. Uh, you can see it actually bounces here. I gave it some few candles, 1, 2 candles here, right? It's actually kind of made a U-turn. It made a complete U-turn. Yeah, so usually it's good not to like just like when the market is on the support or the resistance and you just jump in and say, okay, the market is going to hold in that area and then it's good. No, no, just kind of just be patient a little and see where the market is going. And it will give you a clear direction on what it wants to do and you just follow suit, right? So, and here the market was just going down after it hits this resistance area, it's going down. I jumped in. Yeah, and we are into the money already. So I'm hoping by Monday or Tuesday, I don't know, maybe by Monday, yeah, we'll be somewhere down here on this support area, right? On this support area, right? This you can see here, the market bounces here, 1, 2, I came here, breakthrough. So here we are having a small support area here. So we're expecting to like reach at this point. If it reaches here, we can take our profit and wait to see what the market is going to do. It might decide to move on right up to here. So we don't know that. But when it reaches here, we take our profit and wait and see what the market is going to do. If it moves on beyond here, you can choose to jump in right up to here. Right. So let's just see the next one. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Right. The market bounces here on this support, right? Made a U-turn, right? A complete U-turn. You can see the U-turn here. Yeah. So a bounce with a U-turn, right? A bounce with a U-turn. You can see the U-turn here. It goes here. Just like you're driving around and you make a complete U-turn. So you have to see this. So you can't just jump in here and say, okay, the market is going to go up. It might go through the support line, right? Can go through the support line and there will be a breakout. Sorry. And go through the support line, there will be a breakout and you might lose a lot of money. So you just patient a little, look at that U-turn and then you jump in. And that is it. We are on 62 pips. Yeah. Just jump in, write it up. Yeah. On 62 pips already. So it's cool. It's cool. It gives very little or no stress trading the market. You just look for those areas and, and wait for the signal, the U-turn signal, and then you take your trade. Like here, we are in the 4-hour time frame. It doesn't matter the time frame, it works on all the time frame. Support and resistance is the key. It works on all the time frame. It doesn't matter the time frame. And if you have these few indicators, because usually it's not good to like crowd your charts with a lot of indicators, right? It gets you so much confused, and at the end of the day, you don't really know what you really going to select, or the direction which you're going to select, or something like that. But if you look at this indicator, it moves from one yellow to the next yellow, one yellow to the next yellow. It tells you, okay, when when this yellow appears somewhere here, we know that it's going to move on the opposite side to give you the next yellow. Like here, there is a yellow here, yellow indicator here from the FX snatcher. There's a support, right? There's a support there, and we wait for the U-turn, right? Wait for the U-turn. It bounces on the support. Wait for the U-turn. This is the U-turn here. It's very simple. Just be patient. Wait for the U-turn. 3, 4 candles. Yeah, because it will not be wise. You really want to catch the trade right down here. It's not safe, right? It's not safe. So you just be a little bit patient. After the U-turn, look at it after the U-turn, just jump in. There you go. Well, so we're going to write this. This will give us close to, if we reach like, if we make it up to this point, like up to this point, let's just assume that we are going to reach at this point. Okay. Uh, we write it up to this point, that will be 117, sorry, about 118 pips. 118 pips, right? So we are talking about pips here because what you put in, what you put in into the market depends on your account size, right? If you're having like $100, take 0.01, right? Yeah, and you compound your money bit by bit. By the time you know it, you'll be in $200, right? Yeah, take 0.01. Don't be so much in a hurry. If you are eager to make so much, let's say, in a single trade, then you might end up losing a lot, or maybe even uh, like empty your account, right? And so it wouldn't be wise to do that. So just take it easy, $100, and you take 0.01, that is cool. If you have $1,000, that is good. You take $1, that's 0.10, right? 0.10. You take $1, and if you take $1 here, that will give you, yeah, for 118. For 118, that will give you, yeah, that will give you 100, about $118, yeah, or 120, just okay. The market stops here or maybe goes further, right? Mm. So that's 125. If it reaches here, you give $112, $120, just around that rate, but a hundred and something dollar isn't bad. For $1,000, I advise you keep a 1,000 pip range. That's beautiful. 1,000 pip range is very good. It's cool. Yeah. Uh, or maybe if you are already in the profit, like if you're already deep in the profit, okay, you can look for some other trade, right? And you move you move your stop loss, right, to lock into your profit, and you can take some other trade, right, if you want to, right? So, but you make sure you are already in profit and you've locked in. Therefore, that's you move your stop loss such that you are already like locking in some few profits in case the market goes maybe crazy or goes against you or something. You are still going to be cool. Then you can now take another trade, right? So that your account is safe. Your account is safe and you are making the money. So you can take more than one trade, but it's just how you are going to like manage the trade. So when you lock into profit on the first trade, then you now move to the next trade and you can take another $1. That's for those who are having like $1,000. So you can take another $1 trade. And if you're locking into profit, you can take the next trade, right? Just like that. So within like in a week, you can make a lot of money, like maybe um, half of your account. It's possible. It's possible, but you need to do it technically and always play safe, right? So particularly this is it's a very cool strategy. If you look here, this is a daily time frame. I'm actually waiting for this to like move right up here. This is going to like be a lot of profit at the end of the day, almost about $200. I'm expecting it to reach this yellow resistance line here, which will give about 294 pips. Yeah, 294 pips. So it's quite good. You see here, I'm already into profit. You see, I just kind of like spot out the trades. I just spot them out and just write them, just write them. Yeah, just write it. Yeah, so that's exactly just what I do. If you make the market a little bit complicated, if you make it complicated, like maybe using all some kind of bunch of crap because you want to make it like look so sophisticated, and a little bit of advice, guys. When looking at online stuff like in Instagrams and maybe YouTube, following people on YouTube and whatsoever, you see some kind of vast, you see a lot of computers. People have a lot of computers in front of them, checking this and that and this and that, and making the whole show so complicated, so sophisticated, and you know, yeah, it's kind of good. Maybe they know what they are looking at, um, and some of them are actually trading different stuffs. That's why they have a lot of computers in front of them, and yeah, and stuff like that. So, but um, it's not necessary. What I want to say is, it's not necessary to complicate your trading. It's not necessary to complicate your trading. In fact, it's actually bad to complicate your trading because we want something that is less stressful, something, the market is already complicated enough. So we want to make it rather simple, not more complicated than it is already, right? Not more complicated than it is already. It's already complicated because if you look at the market, it's so random, right? It's so random, such that it's at times hard to make sense out of it if you really don't know what you're doing. It's hard. That's why a lot of people have traded for a while and then abandoned the market and said, after losing about, or after blowing about two or three accounts or four, some even five or six. Yeah. So they just said, this is not for me, and they quit. Yeah. So the market is kind of really random and at times complicated, and also complicated. I say at times. Yeah. So all we need to do as traders is to make it simple, right? Make it simple, such that we can even bring it to the knowledge of children. I tell you, this technique that I'm showing right now is so simple. If I tell a child, okay, if you see the cup, if you see the cup after the support hit, after the market hits the support or hits the resistance, if you see the cup, you jump in, you take a buy. You see the cup, take a buy. You see the cup here, you take a buy. That's just all. That's just all you need, right? You see the cup, you take a buy. You see the cup, this is a cup here. Like a little cup, maybe your tea cup or something. Yeah. You see the cup, the market moves here. Like here, there was a small cup here. Yeah, but I kind of wait to really see the market, moving out. Yeah, you see the, yeah, like big cup. Yeah, because I saw here market kind of like made a little cup here. You could jump in here, even though there was a retracement behind here, and kind of, but you would have still been in the money. Yeah, right. So, but I kind of wait for this, this big cup and big cup, and then I jumped in here, right? Jump in here after this, jump in here, and I know this market is going up. This market is going up. Yeah, it may not reach this point. It may reach somewhere here, and I will still make a lot of money, about 200 pips. And if I'm in a dollar, that will be $200. Yeah. If I'm like $10, that would be 20. That would be 2,000, right? So it just depends on what you are going to put in. So, but this is the idea, and it's a great one. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. If you love this, if you love this strategy, and what you see is very simple, it's very neat. If you love this, just give me a thumbs up. You can leave a comment. We are going to talk about this, or when next maybe I am in the market, I can do a live video so we can trade together. I think the market is a place where everybody needs to come around, just get something for yourself, and try to be of help to your family or whatsoever you think, even to yourself, right? Yeah, so um, let's do it together, right? Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take good care of yourself. I'm out.